In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Wix website files. This is a straightforward process, but it's crucial to follow the steps carefully to ensure you capture everything you need. We'll dive right in and walk through how to save your website's files from Wix, giving you that additional flexibility to work with them as needed. Let's start by navigating to your Wix editor. Once you're there, you simply need to click on the Publish button for your website. This step ensures that any recent changes you've made are live and ready to be accessed. After hitting Publish, you'll want to proceed to the URL of your live site. This is the web address that anyone would use to visit your site currently. When you've arrived at your live site, take a moment to click on a blank space anywhere on the page. This is important because it helps you avoid selecting specific elements or causing any unintended selections. Once you've right-clicked, you'll see a menu pop up. From this menu, you need to select the option labeled Save As. This feature allows you to save a copy of the web page directly to your computer. After you click Save As, you'll be prompted to choose a location on your computer where you'd like to store the file. It's a good idea to save it in a location that's easy for you to remember, like your desktop or a dedicated project folder. Once you confirm, the page will start downloading to your chosen location. Now let's discuss what you've actually downloaded. The file you receive will predominantly be an HTML file, essentially a snapshot of your web page as it appeared when you saved it. Additionally, along with this HTML file, you'll notice there is a folder as well. This folder holds all the images from the page, so your website's visuals are preserved alongside the code. This is particularly useful if you're looking to work with the images separately, or if you need a visual reference. It's as simple as that. With just a few clicks, you can secure a copy of your Wix website files and have them readily available for multiple uses beyond the Wix platform. Whether for backup or further customization, having these files on your local machine can be incredibly convenient. This concludes our walkthrough for today. Now you have the knowledge to download your Wix website files efficiently. Remember, if you make any future changes to your site, you'll need to repeat this process to keep your local files up to date. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this one.